We get a number of questions at the National Ozone Association, and one of those common questions is, does ozone work? Well, I can tell you that ozone does work. And all we have to understand about this is that it's the power of oxygen. And since it's the power of oxygen, we're really talking about what's called oxidative science or oxidative processes. And ozone is merely another form of oxygen. It has an extra atom of oxygen that's kind of loose. And so when it hits our target threat, it detaches that extra atom of oxygen. And when it detaches that, it's going to oxidize it. This makes a new molecule out of what it was before, and is typically an oxide. You may be familiar with iron, and once you've been able to apply oxygen to it in the environment, it's going to turn to rust. And rust is, simply put, iron oxide. So when we ask the question, does ozone work? It works every time. Now, there are the pros and the cons. There are the ways you do and you don't do any particular product that's out there. And this is a very green product. It's a relatively safe product. It's something we can use effectively. But in order to know the right ways to do this, the National Ozone Association wants to offer you some training. We have our layman's course. That is the layman's basic ozone training course. It's a very inexpensive course at $25. And we also have our certified ozone technician course. And this course is more developed. It's designed for those who see the chance to get involved in remediation services and doing some fantastic things with a very green program that has a high level of effectiveness. But whenever you get into a business, you want to know there are people who understand what this is all about. Hence, the National Ozone Association is the place to go for your training and your certification. We look forward to hearing from you at the National Ozone Association. That's noai.org. And I'm sure we can help you out. Remember, ozone always works because it's science.